I have a metal edge run along the outside of the flower bed. However, the St. Augustine gets up high enough to where it can jump over and get into the flower bed. I'm gonna edge this flat along this hard edge, and then I'm also gonna see if I can put a hard line in it with string trimmer as well. Now, one of the tricks to doing this is always making sure that your string trimmer is cutting to where it's gonna throw pretty much as much as it can outside of the mulch, outside of your flower bed. So here's another one of those runners right here. The hard edge, the metal edge is really too low to keep anything out. So let's see if we can put a hard edge through here with the string trimmer and cut some of those back. Again, when I'm edging like that, trimming and edging like that, I try to keep as much grass out of the flower bed as much as possible. That's why I have the string running that way. But you can see some of the mulch is flying out as I hit it. But I'd rather pick up a few big pieces of mulch and try to get tons of grass out of the flower bed. So let me know if you guys have any tips or tricks on how you edge or trim up your flower bed so the grass doesn't run over into it. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you. Have a good day.